Hey everyone, I am back with another fragrance review, and today I'm talking about Baccarat Rouge 540 Extrait de Perfume. By this time you have probably heard of the iconic Baccarat Rouge 540 from the house of Maison Francis Kurkdjian. This famous perfume has been quite relevant for some years and have been showcased on different magazines like Harper's Bazaar, Vogue, Who What Wear. If you're undecided about buying the original or Extrait de Perfume, this video right here will help you with the buying process. This perfume opens on spicy top notes of saffron and bitter almond. The olfactory constituents of saffron are safranal and lanolin. The raw material authorized in perfumery is safranal, the olfactory principle of saffron that is isolated from the natural raw material. As the world's most expensive spice, saffron has a complex olfactive profile. It's a dark, leathery, spicy note with tear effects and a hint of honey. It is often used in the top layer of a fragrance to break the sweetness of a citrus notes. I have become more appreciative of spicy notes on my perfumes. The saffron scent is very detectable upon the first spray. For middle notes, it has Egyptian jasmine and cedar. MFK uses North American cedar, which is quite different from the other three types of cedar used in perfumery. You will experience the woody, dry, slightly spicy, and creamy scent. On the other hand, jasmine is potent and multifaceted, ranging from orangey floral, solar fruity like banana, strawberries, and apricot to animalic and spicy. It is very expensive due to its low yield of essential oil. The base notes are cashmeran and ambroxan. Cashmeran is a synthetic molecule that combines a dry and musky cedar facet. Mixed with other woods, it intensifies the fragrance sillage. Ambroxan is another synthetic molecule used to replace ambergris. If you don't know what is ambergris is the excrement from sperm whale. Ambroxan is highly used on perfumery to intensify the woody notes of any fragrance. So as you might see, this is a heavy dose woody accord fragrance. If this is something you like, you will enjoy this perfume. For comparison, the Extra has a high concentration of oils than the original. As a result, you have a stronger fragrance. As you spray the perfume on your skin, you will notice the traces of oils. The Extrait is bolder, louder, and an extremely long-lasting perfume. This is perfect for people like myself who like more flashier fragrance. On the other hand, the original MFK is lighter and thinner. I did a wear test and noticed that after a few hours I couldn't feel the fragrance. So this was my reason for choosing the Extrait version. Now, for whom is this perfume? I would recommend the Extrait for people who enjoy bolder and louder fragrances. These fragrances are unisex, but I find that the Extrait perfume is an excellent option for men. As a woman, I would appreciate this scent on a man. The original is suitable for people who like lighter fragrances. I find this version appropriate for a work environment or any day or night occasion. But either or, I find that the Extrait version is perfect for men. I think it complements more a men's chemistry, but women can use it. I prefer the Extrait version. This is the one that I went with because I like louder fragrances. I like to enjoy and feel the fragrances on myself. Best time to wear. The Extrait perfume is a more refined and I would use it for formal events or day nights. I would say this is more a fall winter scent. The original can be used in any occasion and can be worn all year. Speaking about prices, this is the 1.2 ounce that currently retails for $260. This is the 1.2 ounce. I have, for comparison purposes, I have the 2.4 ounce for gentle fluidity. So this way you can view the difference of the packaging. This is 1.2 ounce, $260. The Extrait perfume, the original is $195. So as you might see the difference on price for Baccarat Rouge. This one is the 2.4 ounces. This one is currently retailing $235. This is gentle fluidity gold. For sillage and longevity, I have to say that the sillage for the Extrait is super strong, and for longevity is a beast mode. This is a 10-hour plus perfume to the point that I can feel the fragrance while showering and the next day. This is definitely a fragrance that is worth the hype. I hope you liked this review. If you did, please let me know in the comments and give me a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.